Yo, what is up, gang? Trinity Jones here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be breaking down how the intro from Nasty C's free album was made. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So this is actually a sample song. The sample song is on the screen right now. You can go search it on YouTube, it's there. So basically what I did was I dissected the drums on that original sample, and then I also layered them with my own drums. I did a whole bunch of layers. As you can see here, it's a lot of layers for the drums, and then I just exported them, and then overall I have this sound. So after I dissected the drum loop from the sample, I did this bass here, also from the sample. It just follows the same keys, but I felt like the one from that sample wasn't really sounding good like that, so I used this one, and with the drums it sounds like this. While we're still on the bass, there's this other section right here where there's like some top notes for the bass. Nice stuff. Then after that, there's these drums over here. With these drums, follow the same drum. Not drums, bro. What the fuck am I saying? Brass, I meant to say. So this is the brass I used. It follows the same brass from the same original sample. If you look at the drums here, I layered different types of drums, the same keys, but as you can see with the ghost notes here, different tones. It's high notes and then low notes. Together they sound like this. Crazy business. And then after that, there's this vocal right here. It's also from the sample. Baby, let's just fight the world and run away. Let's just leave the earth. Goes like that throughout, and then it changes over here. So this is where Mesh Beats went crazy with the drums. Or before we go to the drums, there's this leads that are playing in the background on the beat. I just decided to remake them, and they sound like this. Just to add some spice, And then I also added these other sounds over here just to add some texture to the beat. They're not that important. And then now let's go to the drums. Let's start with the 808. So this is the 808. It follows the root notes of the beat, of course, and it sounds like this. So here, these notes right here, they are actually panning. So there's nothing special really with the 808. Then I also added a kick. Where's the kick? There's a lot going on. As you can see over here, there's a lot of panning. And then with the velocity also, we're playing with the velocities and the rolls as well. And we also played with the pitch. As you can see, for that interesting vibe, Nothing really crazy, bro. By the way, if you want the FLP Link is gonna be in the description to join the membership. The FLP is only gonna be available for membership. So guys, if you really wanna support me, you really wanna see these tutorials and you want me to keep going with this uploading content thing, please go join the membership, and I'm gonna drop like a lot of free stuff in the membership for the membership gang. And yeah, I'm gonna drop everything I used, including the VSTs. I'm gonna direct you to where you can get the information like that I'm not gonna share on YouTube or anywhere else, so you can go and become a member there. Okay, and then after that we have this. What is this? Oh, it's a snare. Your generic snare, nothing complicated. Right, and then we have this other snare over here. It's actually a snare plus a clap. It sounds like a snare clap. And then we have another snare here. It's actually not a snare, it's a open head. I'm messing up now. And then we also have this. This is just it sounds similar to this tick here. Yeah, so I had it in the beats. I was like, let me put it in. I don't know if they edited it by mistake or what. And then over here I did this, FX. The FX is for like transitioning to this section over here. And we also have the lead again, but it's a different type of lead. It sounds like this. And I also did this bass as well over here to go with that lead.
Baby, let's just find the world and run away. Let's just leave this earth and go to Mars. Baby, let's just find the world.
Right, get the idea, of course. So I also did this over here, bro. This was a little bit tricky to make, so I just chopped this sound over here. I just chopped that and just pitched it, played with it. Like as you can see, this one I pitched down for 400, and then over here I pitched it down 800. This is like a lot of chopping and pitching down, pitching up, just to make it play a little bit same as the beat. Yeah, that's pretty much the beat, man. Not really that complicated to make. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and also join the membership if you do want to support the channel. And yeah, man, remember, always keep it simple. Peace.